Hey guys, what's up? This is Steven, aka StenForceW, and it's around 6:30 in the morning, and I am all geared up to go start my first Airsoft game. I got my Call of Duty Black Ops underwear on, so I'm all set, and I'm very excited, except for the fact that I got like no sleep last night. So I'd seriously around like 1.5 hours of sleep. At best, that's being generous. So, yeah, I'll see you guys at the field, and we'll catch up there. Alright guys, this is the start of my first game. As I said in the last video, it's kind of going to be like a gameplay commentary that you see for video games, except it's for Airsoft. I'm going to talk over it and explain some of the stuff that's going on, because my camera might not capture it very well. This game was a long time ago, so I'm going back and editing these over now. I barely remember much that happened, but I do remember how much of a noob I was, basically, would be the best way to put it. One of the biggest things I've noticed is that my eyes like had to adjust to playing Airsoft, because like someone would tell me like, oh, like the enemy's over there, and be like, okay, and I'd look and I couldn't see anything. It took like another couple games for my eyes to actually get used to looking for like the right movement to like find people out in the woods. Because I would just like look into the woods and not be able to see anything. That's Mike over there in that tree. He's playing with me, and that's David with the white pants there in that bunker.
Hey guys, there are 4 guys in that house up there. It's either Animal or Rock House, I don't know.
We just passed Animal. It's Rock House.
Alright, well, let's take this house. Alright, have you guys stay here.
I was wearing a ghillie suit for this game, just for the fun of it. It was pretty cool. It's kind of fun to wear because no one else really has one, so they think it's cool and stuff, but it's also kind of impractical, and if you're running through like foliage, it's gonna like rip some of the leaves off of the ghillie suit, which isn't very good. Adjusting the camera a bit. This is the first time I had used this camera, and I didn't really know what was going on with it at all. So what this game type was basically one team starts in Rock House, which is the house right in the middle of the field, and the other team, it's their goal to assault it and try and take it and hold it for as long as possible. I think we ended up winning.
Move up. You gotta move up. Watch your flank, watch your flank. Come on, Devin. Get forward.
That was David, our squad leader at the time, told us to move and push in and take the house.
Alright, let's do this. Oh, you got that up. Ryan, I'm going left. Sorry, right. You with me?
Yeah. All right. Oops, sorry.
Watch out, dude. Right there.
All right.
See, that guy just told me where the enemies were, and so I couldn't see anything. I just saw trees and bushes, and so I just decided to basically run straight at them. And I get hit almost instantly, and David grabs me and pulls me back so that he can medic me. And this is where something quite unexpected and terrible happened. I'll just be quiet now so that you guys can enjoy it.
Hey, hey.
No, stay there. Stay there. Call for that.
Medic.
I'm not calling that. Cover me! Go! We're moving! Go! Go! Cover!
Yeah, so apparently the straps of the GoPro don't stay on the top of a ghillie suit very well. Camera flew off, and I have several gigabytes of this for the rest of the game. Luckily, I knew where it fell, and I was able to pick it up. So here, me and David run by it again, and we actually did some pretty cool stuff for the rest of the game. It was a shame I didn't get it on footage. But anyways, yeah, so that was pretty much the first massively epic fail of my Airsoft career, and don't worry, there are a few more to come that I've done so far, plus however many more mistakes I'm going to make in the future. You can see me looking around for it. I knew it fell like somewhere near this massive pile of sticks. Sort of walking over, trying to find it.
One coming up right, medic!
And we're just going to fast forward to the end here. Oh, by the way, thanks for watching this video, guys. There's a bunch more coming in the future, so you should definitely subscribe. And if you like this one at all, then please hit the like button and maybe leave a comment. Keep looking. You almost found it right here. There it is. I found it. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good night.